have the Nintendo Switch, and I'll be showing you how to play Nintendo 64 games. Now, before I proceed, you do need a Nintendo Online subscription before you can do this. Now, if you have an active subscription, then you can just go to Nintendo Switch Online. Just go to that page with your profile that has an active subscription. Once you open Nintendo Online, on the left hand side panel, you should see Nintendo 64. Okay, so just tap on that to open it, and then that's where you'll see all the retro Nintendo games basically. Now right here, this is all the retro Nintendo games. So you open that and you get all the games. So you have Nintendo 64 here. All you have to do is select it and have it installed on your Switch. So just go ahead and download the Nintendo 64. It's almost like an emulator for Nintendo 64 that you're installing on your Switch. So of course you might be required to enter the password to get into the eShop. And once you enter your password, you'll now be able to download Nintendo 64 for free, as long as you have a Nintendo Online subscription. So it says thank you. So if you go back to the home page of your Switch, you will see Nintendo 64. Okay, so it's currently downloading. So allow it to finish, and once it's done downloading, then you'll have access to Nintendo 64 games. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.